you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So I just got back from grocery shopping and I got my premium box today. So we are going to do a little unboxing and yeah, so let's jump right in. So when I open the box, this is what I see. Look at it, it is a little different, very nice, very nice. This month's box is different and then it comes out. And hey, okay, so that's kind of cool. This month is nothing but the Fenty. So let's get into the goodies. I do not own anything from Fenty till now, so I'm super excited about this box. So kilowatt freestyle highlighter. Let's see, that's this one. Retails for $36. Almost drop this. This is the packaging that it comes in. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free. Oh wait, yes, I think no, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it is. I don't see that little bunny. So I got the shade Trophy Wife. I'm not sure if everyone got the same shade or did we get different shades. I don't even know if she has other shades in her little highlighter. I mean, I don't know. I don't shop her. So okay, so this is that. Oh, I can't even open it. Ah, it came with a little protector. That is super pretty. Oh my gosh. And that retailed for $36. Then we have the Matchstick Sticks Shimmer Skin Stick. And that one retails for $25. So I guess it could be a highlight or a blush, depending on the shade. That's not this. I don't know what I'm doing. This is the box, and then Chili Mango is my shade that I got. I'm a little concerned, just a smidge. Okay, yeah, it's that. Oh, if it looks like this color, that's super bright. Oh my gosh, how would I wear this? Like seriously, how would I wear this? Is this a cream? I think this is a cream. Ooh, I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna try it real quick. Ooh, and maybe it won't look that bad because I'm like kind of wearing orange anyway. I think my makeup got on it. Obviously, I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna give this away. But I mean, that's pretty like orange. And the only reason why I'm not giving it away is because I don't have anything in this brand. So, I mean, if it blends out, and this is over my foundation that I've already done. I didn't do much. I just put a little powder and called it a day. I'm concerned that it's like gone. Maybe you have to tap instead of swipe. For the summertime, maybe I would use this as a highlighter or blush? Maybe. I don't know. I'm already iffy with cream products, so that concerns me a little bit. Then the next item is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging. These are the shades in the back. It feels pretty heavy and durable. If I could open this, oh my god. It comes in a box, in another box. Or not, it's not a box. Thank God I held it the way I did. So it does have the names of the shade on the back, but there is no colors unlike the box does. So that's that. And I love this. This is super pretty. That is pretty. I like that. I think this is a plastic, yeah. Ooh, okay. It's not hard to open. It comes with a mirror, as you can see there. The shades are actually not that bad. I see a variation of warm and cool tones. You have a little pop of color. I like it. Then we have the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. This is the packaging. I opened up the wrong one before. And then I just, you know, clear lip gloss. I can't even open it, so I'm not even about, no, it's all right. And this is Diamond Milk. So I'm going to do a video separately on me using the products. So yeah. Then we have Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. This retails for $18, and oh, okay. I got, I can't even tell. The shade PMS. That is like a grungy, I don't know what that was. It's like a really dark brown shade. On the lipstick, it has the logo imprinted on it. Yeah, that is dark. You guys, that is the shade. That is dark. I mean, it looks dark, but holy cow. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only charmer out there that wants to say this. The variations that we got, the shade wise, for the lipstick, this thing is ridiculous. I mean, I'm assuming they gave us stuff that wasn't selling, or something like Fenty was just like, here, take our crap. Because I would never wear really this orange shade. I'm going to attempt to in the next video. So I don't know how I'm going to make orange work with dark brown. Thank God there's some neutrals in here, because I just... And then we have the Invisimate Blotting Paper, which I am an oily skin girl. So I would so use this if I could open it. Okay, so you have to put it in there. Like, so here's the box. I'm opening it up. Here's the blotting paper. You have to put it in the little thing, which is weird to me, because why wouldn't it be already in the container? But I like the packaging of all her stuff. I like the octagonal, whatever shape this is, pentagon, I don't know, whatever. I'm not counting all the sides, but I like that shape. I like...
There's 4 sides.
Oh, there's 4 sides. Thank you. So it opens up like this, I mean, first, and I like how it has a little mirror. Then there's another piece that you have to open. So like if you have nails, this is not nail friendly. And then you put the little paper in there, like so. And then somehow pull everything out. I'm not even gonna bother doing that right now. But yeah, so I like that. So that retails for $16. I already did that one. So yeah, thoughts on this box? I like this box. I will say I'm a little disappointed for my lip color for these 2 things, basically, because what else can I use this for? Like, I don't even know. If you guys know and you guys use this, let me know what I could use this orange cream thing. Like, this, okay, in the fall would be a very pretty color to use. Now, this time of year is not very in style. I mean, you could wear it if that's your thing, if you'd like dark lips. But for me, for a majority of people, they're going to use now lighter tones. So this is like a summer thing. Like I would try to use maybe on my eyes, maybe, but it's cream. So, and I have oily skin. So anyway, if you guys have any tips for this product, because I used it and I would never give away something that I've used, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that wraps up this video. So if you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not already, sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of any future content. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.